Air India 7478, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Air India 7478. London Heathrow ground China Southern 2239 Super, ready for pushback, requesting runway 9 right. China Southern 2239 Super, pushback.
London Heathrow ground BMed 747 Heavy, ready for pushback, requesting runway 9 right.
Pushback approved, tail to the west, China Southern 2239 Super. November 19 Kilo Romeo, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. London Heathrow ground November 398 Tank. BMed 747 Heavy, pushback approved, tail to the north. Stand by, November.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, BMed 747 Heavy.
London Heathrow ground, EHL 1745, ready to taxi. Taxiing to runway 27 left, November 19 Kilo Romeo. London Heathrow ground China Southern 692 Heavy, request taxi to gate 242 at the Terminal 2B. Will go, Air India 7478.
November 986 Juliet Echo wind calm, runway 27 left, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, November 986 Juliet Echo.
Delta 306 Heavy, line up and wait runway 27 left.
Line up and wait runway 27 left, Delta 306 Heavy.
Yankee Victor 2320 Super, you're in an active airspace, please contact London Heathrow Tower on 1.
Stand by, Etihad 0103. Delta.
London Heathrow ground BMed 747 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 9 right.
Etihad 0103, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. London Heathrow ground, November 19 Kilo Romeo, ready to taxi. Taxi to runway 27 left, Etihad 0103.
Taxi to runway 27 left, BMed 747 Heavy.
Emirates 115, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. Taxi to runway 27 left, Emirates 115. London Heathrow ground Golf Mike Alpha Victor Echo Super, ready to taxi to runway 27 right. Golf Mike Alpha Victor